Hello children! Today, Teacher Shah is going to show you how to make a bombolini. Do you know what's a bombolini? No? Okay, a bombolini is actually an Italian name for donut. But Italian donut is special. It's not the same donut that you see in your normal bakery shop. Usually, the ones that you see in your normal bakery shop, the donut is circle in shape and there's a small circle in the middle, right? But for bombolini, there is no small circle in the middle. It's actually a round donut where you can put the filling inside. Let's get started. I'm going to show you what are the ingredients that you need to make the bombolini. So these are the ingredients that you need to make the bombolini. 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, cooking oil, 5 cups of plain flour, 1 cup of warm fresh milk. You can warm it up in your microwave. 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/4 cup of sugar. And 1 tablespoon of yeast. You will also need a large mixing bowl or a big basin and a rolling pin. If you do not have a rolling pin, you can actually find bottle like this and use this as a rolling pin. And you also need a small cup. First, pour in your warm milk in a bigger bowl and add in 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix the sugar with the milk and then pour in 1 tablespoon of yeast and let it rest for a while you mix the other ingredients. Now prepare your large mixing bowl or basin and scoop out 5 cups of flour. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the flour, you add in 1/4 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix all the ingredients together and then add in the milk mixture. Mix it again until it forms a doughy texture. Once you reach the doughy texture, you can actually use your hands to scrape off the remainings from the scoop and use your hands to fold in the dough. Make sure that you have all the ingredients mixed well. And once you see that all the ingredients are mixed well, fold in the dough and form the dough into a small ball. Once you have formed the dough into a small ball, let the dough rest in your big basin or big mixing bowl and cover it with a large tray or large plate that is enough to cover your bowl. let it rest for 1 hour and you will see something happening to the dough after 1 hour. Wow, do you notice that now the dough is bigger compared to the dough when you left it 1 hour ago? Well, this is because the yeast that you used just now actually breaks the sugar down into carbon dioxide and water, and this causes the dough to rise. This is called the process of fermentation. Next, make sure that your table is clean and pour out a bit of flour on your table or countertop. Before you take out the dough from the basin. This is to make sure that your dough does not stick to your table or to your countertop. During this process, you can ask help from your mommy and daddy to help you. The next, take your rolling pin and start rolling out your dough. Then prepare a big tray or a plate and a cup and start to cut out the donut shapes using your cup. So place it on the dough, press and twist. And you repeat the steps until you have cut out all the shapes from the dough. Now then, carefully remove all the donut shapes and put it on your tray or your plate. Now then, form the dough into a small ball again. Pour out a bit more flour and start rolling the dough again. Repeat until you have cut out all the donut shapes and there is no more dough left. Now the donut is ready and you are ready for the next step. Now you're ready to fry the donut. You need to heat up the oil in the pan. Please get mommy and daddy to help you with this. Now once the oil is heated up, you can put the donut in the frying pan. Remember to keep on flipping the donut in the frying pan so that we will get a nice golden brown donut. You can keep the remaining dough in the refrigerator for 1 week. Now cool down your fried donut for we are ready to fill our donuts or bombolini. So over here I use Nutella and some raspberry jam. You can use any jam or bread spread that you have at home. So I'm going to use 2 bags You can use a Ziploc bag or a piping bag if you have at home. I'm going to scoop a bit of Nutella and put it inside the plastic bag. Now we are going to do the same thing for the raspberry jam. So you can prepare a different bag and scoop out the amount of raspberry jam that you need. Next, cut out the tip of the bag. Now we are going to pipe the filling into the donut or bombolini. So take the back of the spoon and poke through the bombolini. Make sure you poke right through and twist it a bit so that it will create quite a big hole for you to fill in your fillings. So once you're done, choose your preferred filling, put it through the hole and squeeze the filling in until you see the filling oozed out from the bombolini. Just like that. And repeat the steps with all your other bombolinis. And there you have it. Bye bye. Have fun trying, my little chefs.